Ayan, kung kanina si Terry ay isang Mindanao Tariktik Hornbill, o eto naman pong si Bingo ay isang Rufus Hornbill. Now, alam niyo ba sa Tagalog at saka sa Bisaya, ang tawag po sa kanila ay, would you know? It's actually kalaw. So yan po yung tawag sa kanila. Here in Baguio District, ang dami po namin kalaw because of the forested trees that we have here. No? Napakadami po kasing puno. Usually, yun po yung gusto ng mga hornbills. Alright? Now, I'd like to share an interesting characteristic about hornbills. Alam niyo ba that they're endemic bird? Ibig pong sabihin, dito lang po sa atin sa Mindanao, diba? Napakahusay. Isa pa nga. Aba! Oh, parang ayaw na niya. Okay, well anyway, natin. Sige nga. Ayun. Hindi ba kasi nga as part of good manners, when someone say it, are actually meat. Karne, no? It could be rabbit, fish, lizards, snakes, or even the small birds. So yan po yung hinahunt nila or kinakain po nila in the wild. Now, since they eat meat, ang tawag po natin sa kanila ay kinukuha. Yung mga lugar where they once lived, for them to be.
So when I say let's cheer for Rookie, everybody say Rookie! Rookie! Okay po ba? Ayan. Now on this side naman, up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for Kaka. So when I say let's cheer for Kaka, naku, sabi ni Teacher Waki, mag-travel raw po. Another one will be for shopping. The next one will be for shopping once again. And the other one will be for shopping na naman po. And the last one will be for shopping once again. Naku, alam na natin anong gustong-gustong gawin ni Teacher Waki, no? Gustong-gusto niya mag-shopping. 50 and 20 peso bill, bababa na raw po, ayaw raw po ni Waki, no? Naku, hindi biro lang everybody, no? Unfortunately, Ruki! Ruki! Okay, 1 point already for Ruki. 1 point for Kaka as well. Now we're around this round for the 2 points. Pumahabol si Kaka with another 2 points as well. Ruki now in his third ball. Let's go for that point, Kaka. Last ball for Ruki. Our winner for this round would be Team Rookie. Congratulations, Team Rookie. Dito tayo sa losing team. Kuya Jeffrey, ano po nangyari kay Kaka? Naku, sabi ni Kuya Jeffrey, ayan, umiikot-ikot si Rookie for his victory dance. Pero 2 steps raw po yung victory dance ni Rookie. What's the second step, Rookie? Of course, his signature dance move, the headbang. Bago raw po papasok ulit sa classroom si Rookie, he wants to say to everyone, bye everyone! Now, many are asking us now, how are we able to know kung babae o lalaki? Of course, it is very important to stress that Macaws has a certain know-how for us to be able to properly take care of them. Take Red here, for example. Red has biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Ayan, very good. Now, everybody, according to Teacher Red, ang
Akala ko ba may lovebirds ka? Ba't ka kumakain? Oh, nasaan?
Chimi-chimi, oh. Ay, ito na! Sila dami! Pati ako kanan mo naman. Huwag lang yung may ebon.
Turn around.
Bilis at mauubos na nila.
Ito sa phone ko, friend, no?
Ang gaganda ng kulay.
Oo. Tingnan mo.
Ay, wala na. Naubos na. 30 pesos.
Ay, cute. Wait lang.
Iuwi mo na.
Wait lang. Shit. Mali. Wag mo na.
Alina kayo. Mga dilaw.
Picture lang.
Wala na. Ayaw na.
Ayun.
Oh. Dami pa.
Brian, here goes your food. Oh, parang ayaw niyang gumalaw. Well, anyway, we'll wait for a while, no? We're going to, ayun. Ayan, very good. Now, I'd like to explain first, no, yung paglipad po ni Brian from the window all the way down here, we actually call it a silent flight. Now, why silent flight? It's because of the...
Para hindi naman makita yung mukha mo. Ay, bakit?